Good afternoon, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Low pressure in the western Gulf is pushing a weather front across the western, northern, and eastern Gulf of Alaska. That's been spreading heavy rain across parts of southeastern Alaska today. Just the precursor for what's to come for tomorrow, with the remnants of Hurricane Oho steaming north and east at a faster pace thanks to a powerful jet stream moving that system toward southeastern Alaska. As it gets closer, we're already looking at high wind warnings being hoisted for a large part of central and southern southeast, including the outer coast, where marine winds in the areas just outside of Cake, Craig, and Klawock could reach upwards of 90 knots or 100 miles per hour, seas there upwards of 27 feet by Friday. High wind warnings on land mean sustained winds of 40 to 55 miles an hour are possible, with gusts on the order of 65 to 80 miles per hour. Southeasterlies will increase rapidly Friday morning, starting with the far southern areas with a peak probably through the midday hours, expecting winds to become south to southwest in the late afternoon and then gradually diminishing. This could bring high winds through the region that might be capable of causing trees and branches to fall onto roadways, structures, and power lines. And the high wind may also pose a threat to small craft underway or at their moorings, as well as aircraft tied down outdoors. High-profile vehicles should exercise extreme caution while traveling on local roadways, and the storm again will bring some heavy rain through the region. That should start to improve as we get into late Friday night and early Saturday morning. The storm by Friday at 958 millibars will still be just offshore of coastal southeast, heading toward the northern parts of the Gulf. A lot of this weather system will start to fade away as it moves further north and west, not expecting to pose any major impacts across south central or southwestern Alaska. For the interior, dry conditions should prevail. It may be breezy at times across the Yukon Valley and northward, but for many, you'll see a patch of dry sky north of the Yukon Valley by Saturday. Pockets of showers are expected across the central and northern Bering, with more of a northerly flow developing on the backside of the system. By Saturday, a 977 millibar low will be sitting just south of Kodiak Island. There may still be some unsettled weather for northern and eastern areas along the Gulf Coast, with pockets of moderate to occasionally heavy rainfall as southwesterlies gradually return to the central and eastern Gulf of Alaska by the end of the weekend. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder. Follow along anytime at weather.gov/Alaska.